Hey guys, happy Monday. It's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a AM radio out of a 1951 Ford Custom. This comes from Duncan in Port Charlotte, Florida. Duncan has requested the modern internal FM conversion with USB, and here's our cool little USB dongle sticking out there. So let's go ahead, and I've got the radio set to AM at the moment, so let's go ahead and turn her on and make sure everything works.
CCA, don't start without us.
The talk of the Quad Cities, KQNA.
And I'll just leave it here for the moment because I'm going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. Your radio now has a left-right balance control and a front-rear fader. It's all in the tone control, and I'm going to show you how to activate it. Let's get our meters in the picture so we know what we're doing here. A little too much light falling on those meters there. Oh shoot, that's probably not good. Alrighty, I'm trying to avoid copyright issues. Okay, let's put it on talk radio. Let's find some talk radio. Put it on FM real quick. Or at least something that's not so...
The 1-2 check. The fences and the fences.
There we go. I don't think they'll nail me for Spanish music. Gotta adjust the lighting a little bit. Okay, we're going to activate the left-right balance control. We rotate our tone control twice to the left to activate that, so here we go.
Balance adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your left-right balance. You can adjust it as long as you want, and when you're satisfied with your adjustment and stop adjusting,
balance set.
Balance is set. Okay, let's activate the front rear fader. Same procedure, except we rotate our tone control twice to the right. So first thing I'm going to do is turn to the center, so I've got room to turn to the right. And here we go.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, and now you can see that the same control is adjusting the front rear speaker balance. Alrighty. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it to FM, which we do on this model by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So off, on. Oh, I was on FM. And I've got all the presets set to stations in my area, so we can make sure that they all work.
Depending on your experience when you fly. You could fall in love with somebody.
Okay, so it's a pretty good confirmation that the FM's working. Let's plug our USB stick in here. Make sure it plays my radio commercial. Alrighty, pull the stick and the radio comes back. Last thing to check is the dial lighting, so we just make sure that that thing flashes on and off in response to my pushing the button. And that's it. There's not much to test on an AM radio. It's kind of surprised that I get a radio in that doesn't have an 8-track. It's like I almost got a day off here. Much easier. Okay, folks, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for this type of service at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you guys next time. And thank you, Duncan, for your business from Port Charlotte, Florida.